This video is sponsored by Fram, manufacturers of high-quality filters since 1934. Visit fram.com to learn more.
Some cabin air filters can be very difficult to install due to their position inside the car, underneath the evaporator core. Typically, they're positioned in the passenger footwell. It can be very difficult to maneuver these cabin air filters into place because it's a very, very narrow opening with a lot of wires hanging down and other tubes. Often that opening is very tight and getting the filter in and out is difficult. I've got a trick that you could use to help get that cabin air filter in the slot. This cabin air filter trick, all it involves is a zip tie and a rubber band, a very simple tool to install some very difficult filters. First of all, remove the brand new cabin air filter from the box. Second of all, pinch it. Then take the rubber band, which has been attached to a zip tie, and put it around the cabin air filter. This way, it stays pinched like this. And the dimensions here are smaller than the opening on the vehicle. This makes it much easier to install. Once it's in that slot, all you have to do, cut the rubber band and then pull it out with the zip tie. But I'd like to emphasize this. If you have a difficult to install cabin air filter, make sure you're looking it up in the labor guides. This way you could charge the customer for your labor for installing this very important part on the vehicle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.